Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use the SwingU Golf app. So this app can be helpful if you want to keep track of your golf game, check your scores, monitor your progress, and find useful golf content in one place. So without further ado, let's get started. So first, go to the App Store or Google Play Store, then search for SwingU Golf. Download and install the app on your phone, and once the app is ready, open it and sign in to your account. If you do not have an account yet, you can create one first and follow the steps on the screen. After you log in, you'll be taken to the main page of the app, and from here, take a moment to look around and get familiar with the layout. So this is where you can find the main options and tools that you will use inside the app. Next, go to the stats section. So in this area, you can view your performance, check your scores, and follow your overall progress over time. This is useful because it helps you see how your game is improving and what you may need to work on. After that, open the TV section. So this part of the app gives you access to golf videos, tips, and tutorials. You can watch this content if you want to learn more and improve your game. Now, tap the play option. The app may ask you to turn on your location services, so make sure to allow it. So once location is enabled, you can find golf courses near you, and from there you can choose the course that you are playing on and start tracking your game in real time. And that is how you use the SwingU Golf app. You can explore the homepage, check your stats, watch helpful golf content, and use the play feature to track your round while you are on the course. So that is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below, and I'll see you on the next video.